A seasoned urban planner by profession, Mr. Mohammad Abdullah is one of the most celebrated and internationally acclaimed development strategists, town planner, and management consultants in the real estate and construction industry of Pakistan and overseas. He is considered as the pioneer of land information system in Pakistan and has the honor of serving as the project consultant of National Telecommunication Corporation to deal with its assets all over Pakistan. In 2003, he founded the company, namely Asset Management Associates, and worked as the project consultant, project director on behalf of Government of Pakistan for the implementation of Pakistan Telecommunication Reorganization Act 1996, which resulted into accomplishment of landmark deal of Government of Pakistan with MS Etisalat for transferring 26% shares of the Pakistan Telecommunication Company Limited at a cost of $2.68 billion. It is still the largest single transaction ever made in the country's privatization history. After completing his degree in City and Regional Planning from UET Lahore in 1994, he joined CDA Islamabad and worked there for a significant time before serving for the Development Management Private Limited, a subsidiary of Asia Pacific Group with head offices at Singapore and Japan. Later, he started to work as a freelance consultant and provided his services for the town planning of different housing projects all over the country. In 2008, AMA, with a diversified and wider scope of project management, town planning, architectural, and engineering services, was revolutionized with the name of Urban Planning and Design Private Limited. Mr. Mohammad Abdullah, in addition to envisioning, planning, and implementing the strategies of projects, is also providing services for the town planning, infrastructure design, landscape design, development management, and supervisioning of two of the most iconic and landmark projects of Gulbarg Greens and Gulbarg Residencia Islamabad through UPDL. Both schemes spread over an area of about 65,000 canal and are symbols of providing a unique and luxurious lifestyle to residents. The City Integrated Management System, introduced by him and Gulbarg Islamabad for the long-term operation, maintenance, and management of projects, infrastructure, and other allied facilities are worthwhile to mention. Besides working in Pakistan, is also rendering his services as chief strategist and development management professional for various projects of similar nature in Dubai and Canada. With an overall national and international experience of 28 years and degrees in CRP and MBA project management, he specializes in making cutting-edge development strategies, strategic planning, project management services, contract administration, land information system, asset management, master plans, zoning plans, layout plans, planning, scheduling, budgeting, implementation and monitoring of mega projects. We are honored to have him on board of this project as the project director and technical advisor for the overall technical assistance and management of all design and execution works, and to act as a developer through MS Al-Haq Builders and Developers for the construction of all development works, including but not limited to earthwork, water supply, sewerage, drainage, road network, culverts, bridges, transportation, water filtration plants, sewage treatment plant, grid station, electricity network, gas network, street lights, optical fiber, solid waste management, municipal administration, etc. It would be pertinent to mention that MS Al Haq Builders and Developers is a subsidiary of UPDL and has an extensive experience in large-scale building and infrastructure works. The company is equipped with a pool of latest construction machineries and highly skilled manpower. It has already carved a niche among construction contractors because of its client-centric best management practices, modern construction techniques, dedication, commitment, quality, and workmanship. Moreover, we are pleased to mention that the horticulture and landscape development works of the project will be undertaken through another proud subsidiary of UPDL, MS New Leaves. It is worthwhile to highlight that New Leaves has been responsible for the development of landscape and horticulture works of Gulberg, Parkview, and Defence Housing Authority Islamabad, which are strong manifestation of its set of skills and expertise. New Leaves, with more than 300 staff and pool of latest equipment, has the honor of having the largest nursery of Pakistan, spreading over an area of about 36 acres at Pathoki and 9 large-scale production units in Islamabad. The above narrated past performance of Mr. Muhammad Abdullah, MS UPDL, MS Al Haq Builders and Developers, and MS New Leaves establishes the fact that this group of companies have a proven track record of turning their clients' dreams into realities in housing and construction industry. The group is one-stop shop for mega housing projects as they are capable of providing all development professional services under one roof.